Good afternoon, bantu basemhlabeni. This is your boy Ulungile Hleza. Just a quick message to everybody that I want to tell everybody about somebody who can save everybody, and that is you. Uwe ongayiseva uzo zonke izinto obhekane nazo emhlabeni. You the one who can save yourself from everything that you're going through empilweni. Sonke we experiencing, financial difficulties, and my point of view on how to overcome these things, to work as a team. But it starts with your surrounding. Yabo, abantu abakusurroundile. What's the nature of the relationship between you and the people that are surrounding you? Yabo, that is my question to you. Yabo, I would ask yourself, what is the nature of the relationship of abantu abakusurroundile? Yeah, ngiyaphinda futhi, just a nobody, trying to tell everybody about somebody that can save everybody, and that it's you. Yonke into iqala ngawe. As I'm speaking, I'm advising myself, before I speak to you. Basically, I'm applying what I'm saying to myself, because yes, I want to be a great somebody, in this universe. It's not easy, but it comes with great rewards. Yonke into iqala ngawe as umuntu. Everything starts with you. Yep.